my channel, my name is London, and today we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy box for March 2022. I do get these sent to me every month by Ipsy, the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. For March, it's called Power Moves. Look at how cute this bag is. I love the bags, and I feel like it kind of matches my makeup today. I did not plan that at all, seriously. But it kind of matches my makeup. Look at how cute this is. All right, let's go through the regular Glam bag first. Oh, I love the bags. Every time I get a bag, I like want to use it for like the month and just chuck it in my purse. So we have a mascara by Sophia and Mabel. I think that's how you say it. Let's see what we're looking at here. Oh, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of the plastic. What are they called? It's also a very bendy mascara. I don't know. I'll try it out. I've been looking for a good mascara for when I wear fake eyelashes, so maybe that might be it. Ooh, Kinship. I love my Kinship stuff. In another Ipsy box, I got the Mint Mud Mask, and I already finished a full size of that, so I'm super excited to try more stuff from Kinship. This is a vegan jelly lip mask. Love a lip mask. Ooh, how cute. It does smell a little minty. But yeah, that's a pretty decent sized lip mask. What else do we have in here? All right, Ciate London Dewy Highlight. I love me some good dew. Love dewy skin so much. Ooh, what do you look like? Oh, it's kind of pink. I wasn't really expecting it to be pink. Ooh. Oh. You know, I feel like this would have been super pretty for Valentine's Day. Or maybe this would be really pretty to add in on like a blush topper. What shade is this? Glossy Cheek Tint. Does it say what shade you are? I don't know, maybe that's like the only shade. I don't know. So far, we're doing pretty good. All right, let's see. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Element? I don't really know how to say the brand name, but it looks to be like a red shade. I just got the Gwen Stefani liquid lipstick, so I mean, I got a lot of red lips, and I don't wear enough red lipstick, so that one's kind of a meh for me. Let's see. Anna, New York, brightening eye cream. I love me some eye cream. This is a huge eye cream. This would take me forever to finish. Peptides and vitamin E. Oh, what an interesting little applicator they got going on here. Ooh, how cool. Ooh, feels super hydrating. I'm excited to try this out. All right. So I pretty much liked everything in the Glam bag, and I love the bag. So I loved everything except for this liquid lipstick. So we're off to a good start here. Now for what's supposed to be in this bag. First thing that I see on the top is by Saturday Skin. I already have this product, and I think I did a video on it. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did a video on this, but I love this stuff. It's like one of those exfoliating kind of deals where like you rub it in and then it kind of like exfoliates your like dead skin cells off. So I'm super excited to have this. This is definitely something that I'm going to be repurchasing from Saturday Skin over and over again. So I like that. Oh, how cute. We got a little sticky note. I actually do need sticky notes, to be honest, because I find that because I have several different platforms, it's kind of confusing to be like, oh, I need to do a video here. And so I feel like a sticky note like out here to remind me of like what I should be doing for the week would be something super handy to have. Ah, my makeup is just on point with all these colors today. Oh my gosh. So this is Power Moves Write Your Own Story. These are like little pins. I always need pins up here with me. So this is super handy. Like even right next to me, I have like I have a notebook because I'm just constantly writing stuff down next to me all the time. Ooh, okay. So this, I don't Is this supposed to be in the other bag, or I don't really know. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil. I haven't heard of this, but I've been dying to try Danessa Myricks forever. Oh, cool. It has little gold flakes in it. That looks so pretty. The lightweight, fast-absorbing dry oil to use alone or hydrating base. Mixing medium for your foundation. Jojoba oil, squalene, sunflower seed oil, and gold leaf. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. Ah, yay! I love that I'm loving this. I feel like the last couple boxes I was not a huge fan on, so I'm excited that I'm liking a lot of the products in this box for March. All right, this is the Defiance palette by Carmella Cosmetics. I've never heard of this before. Let's see. Ooh, the shimmers look super pretty. Oh, looks like a good everyday nude palette, a little bit more on the pinky side. Dying to swatch this shade. Ethereal and Elevate. Ooh, what? These don't even look like the same shade swatched out. These look so pretty. All right. And then we have MOTD. I'm familiar with this brand, but not very familiar. Like, I've seen them, but I don't think I've ever really looked into this brand before. But a beauty sponge. I'm super excited about it. I've typically only used Beauty Wonders, and I fell in love with this Rimmel sponge, but it's starting to get little holes in it, and I need to throw it away. So I'm excited to have a new blender. All right, last thing for my Ipsy Glam bag is this 4-in-1 makeup brush. Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush by Alley Oop. I love the packaging of this. I like the simplicity. Ooh, this brush feels super, super soft. And then it has a sponge side. So a sponge and then like a brush. And then you just twist it. Oh, and there's like a little liner brush. Okay. And then on the other side is another eyeshadow brush. You can use for packing or like even blending out your crease. Super handy. I am so happy about this. Yay! Okay, I'm loving it. I have so many things that I want to try out for this Ipsy for March. I don't even know what I'm most excited for. I'm pretty happy about just about everything that I got in March Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this March bag or... Oh! I didn't even know there were words on here. Bold moves only. These are so cute! I love these Ipsy bags. I use them for so many different things. But yeah, let me know. What did you guys think of March Ipsy bags? I'm super happy. I like the direction that we're headed. So let's keep heading in that direction. All right, that is everything for my March 2020. Did I say 2020 in the beginning of this? That's it for everything for my March 2022 Ipsy unboxing. And I'll see you guys in the next one.